Hello everyone, this video demonstrates an automated welding process that brilliantly integrates art and technology, showcasing a Ganpati drawing brought to life with MIG welding robot with the advancements of Industry 4.0. Today, we are going to use a production management system PMS to capture real-time robot movement and essential welding data like real-time command and output data, dynamic welding conditions, load factor monitoring, weld waveform visualization, live teach pendant program, real-time robot movement visualization. This PMS interface provides visual alerts for changes in weld status, greater welding and error detection, supporting proactive adjustments. Thank you for watching this video.